Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. My name is Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I want to welcome you to the channel. If you've not been here before, you have been here before, then welcome back. Glad to see ya. I've got a very exciting box today. But first, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. I'm on the way to 1,600 subscribers. Which I'm excited about. 'Tis the season of the Halloween, and because that season is so special to me, hence the spooky and the ooky, I've got a very special box from the Cat Lady Box. That's right, Cat Lady Box. It is very exciting. It is a special black cat box, which means that there is nothing but stuff in there about black cats. At least that's how it was last year. But it is called the Black Cat Box. And so it's got one single piece of tape keeping us from mysteries inside. This is like a $40-something box. I only get it once a year, so I'm not quite remembering exactly how much it cost. But it's like $40 or $45, I think, with shipping. And it is hefty. It's got a lot of weight to it. Oh, it starts with a great little postcard. And it tells you what's in the box. So that's really cute. I could put that in a little frame and love it because it's so cute. And it looks like there's a lot of cute things in here. And I opted to get the one that also has, this is a little more expensive than the regular Cat Lady box because I opted to get toys for the cats also. So here it is, Cat Lady box. And it looks like we've got a sweatshirt. And I love sweatshirts. It is time of year that I love because I can get all up in it. And it's got the coolest black cat. Look how cool that is. Because my cat Louie is the king of the cats. That is very cool. Very cool indeed. And then we have a black cat ceramic planter. Which I can use for brushes. Here, I'll put it in front of my little face so you can see the little ears better. But it is super cute. I got a little makeup on it. So I'm just gonna leave it here for some brushes. Then next, I have a cat keychain. And the sweatshirt's worth $28.99. Oh, let's add the value of the box. What the hell? I'm making a mess. $28.99. And the planter was $18.99. And the black cat puff keychain. Oh! It's so cute. It's got a little tail. It's got a cute little tail. And it's got a sweet little face. That's cute. I could put that on my purse. It's got a little hook for just that kind of thing. That's very cute. And that is $9.99. Then we have two cat toys. And I have to get this one dressed. This is a Meowgical feline frog catnip toy. And this is a cat dressed as a frog. And I'm going to take this off of it. And that is $5.99. Kitties! Who wants a toy? The cats are gathering. They heard toy. And then last but not least, Oh, it's a real cute bat. And he's $5.99 value. So that makes the value of the box $69.95, which I think is great. So we got 2 cat toys, a puffy kitten keychain, a little black planter, which is also great for brushes and lip liners and things like that. And then we've got this really great big comfy sweatshirt, which I will look forward to wearing this fall when it gets cold enough, whatever that seems to be. But that is it. That is my Black Cat mystery box from the Cat Lady box. And the Cat Lady box has options and of like with and without toys, and they include a lot of garments, and so you get to choose your size, and they have a lot of variety of sizes, you know, even for the plus size gals. Plus size gals like to wear stuff too. All right, kids, have a great and happy day, and I will see you next time. Bye.